Don't pay attention to what they say, it's what they do. I can tell he ain't on that the way he move. Fell on my dick, I right back up, they think it's woo. High-headed young nigga, but I'm cool. Fucked up my bread, I got it back, I found my groove. How you got license for that 5, but ain't gon' shoot? They holler when you know you ain't gon' slide. 3.14 ass nigga, boy, you pie. Real niggas moving silence, we on pillow talk. Pull up on a nigga, curve him like a sidewalk. If it's tech, then pussy nigga pop off. Sweep your block, bury the broom just like a mob boss. I'm just saying, if I tried, I'ma risk the charge. But my respect ain't got no dead, I risk it all. Stay in your place and play it safe, fool, don't get involved. Powered up, time to evolve, but this ain't Pokemon. The way they stick on for transforming like it's Megatron. This shit go off, I'm hitting head, neck, leg and arm. I'm a hungry little Haitian, I can't keep calm. I'll snap it any minute, I'm a time bomb. Towards 40 in that bitch, holding 30. Bring you smoke like the hippies in the 70s. Flow sick, team of me ain't got no remedies. Seeking revenge, I'ma ride on my enemies. I feel like Tupac with his Cuban in his nose ring. I've been competing with myself, gotta be the old me. Niggas competing with they homies on their own team. That's why I'm rocking in, I'm rolling by my lonely. So on the grind and ZODG what I'm standing on. No handouts, no big homies, get mine on my own. So when I blow, can't that nigga say he put me on. They say I fell off, I feel like I fell back in my zone. Ain't shit original.
YouTube, I know y'all can't hear me right now. It is loud as hell, but we are here at the pit, man. Let's get some content. I'm not gonna talk too much. My voice is killing me, I feel sick. We here for 5 hours. Let's get this content and go. People getting smacked, people getting in fights. I promise you, this is gonna be a crazy day. Like and subscribe. Remember, if you're under the age of 18, you better ask your parents, because I'm not trying to get copyrighted or blocked or none of that.
I don't take no fucking Percocets, Molly Percocets, no ecstasy, promethazine, no lean, no purple vest, no dirty Sprite, but bitch, I got that Kyrie Irving step. If you don't think that all this shit is just 'cause you ain't heard me yet, I'm about to put my mask on.
He out there, motherfucker. Hell yeah. Damn, you ready for it, man? Looking like I'm about to kick everybody out.
How you gonna fight me out to run the pit and then not let me run the pit?
You're not running the pit, you playing.
I went over there because they told me to catch you.
You playing.
That's not part of the pit. That's not part of the pit.
I'm working.
Huh? I'm working. No, they just told me. I was over there.
Why you fucking the car?
Yeah.
Why you look brand new? Hey, y'all gonna fuck
That's that soft shit. I'm seeing the car like a bitch.
Got to. You gotta be able to run with those motherfuckers on the day. You gotta be able to run.
I was out here. I got here earlier. He was fucking around.
He was on it. He was on it. Alright, let's shut up. Fuck Jay.
Where's the liquor? Hey, John, what you doing?
Cause I'm recording it all.
When have I ever filmed?
Don't say that. Alright, let's go.
Yo, where the fuck is the back of this Mustang at? Alright, y'all, we taking a quick break. I just got the worst headache
and chills. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm not feeling too. So I ran in the car. The boy's still outside going crazy if y'all can see in the background. But I'm gonna take like a 1 hour, 2 hour nap at the pit in the truck. Yeah, and then I'll be back. I hope I feel better. Get about 15, 20 more minutes, man, and then I'm gonna head back today. Oh, let's go. Pray for me, y'all.
Dropping your album in increments. ADHD is a social experiment. Who pay attention the most when they hearing it? You cannot stop it, there's no one is sharing it. This is my moment and no one is sharing it. Nigga, I'm just getting started. I hit my targets, I promise I'm very fun. If I do not win the Grammy this year, then I put that bitch up in the air and die. I think my shit is hot. Everyone thinking it's not, then everyone lying. My shit doesn't flop, so I put a gun in your head, make everyone bite. Digging a hole, you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. The day that I die, get buried in dollars. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I'm area pilot. I'm Area 51, Alien Island, my nigga. I told that little bitch that I'm down with the piece. I'm longer than shooting your mama. I ain't got no pieces, I love to get dirty, but fuck it, I'm cool with the drama. When niggas be hating, I tell them no worries, my nigga, cool in my time. I don't get proud of this nigga, you're right till I'm off on my jealous. I still wear the Nikes, I roll with some hitters. I know you don't like me, I shit on you niggas. I bring me some rhymes, I might be, I ain't got no feelings, I dare you to fight me. I fuck with a lip, but I'm really a right. You're pussy and money, it really excites me. I really don't try me for right. Fuck all you pricks, you cannot harm me, I think you a bitch. You think I'm corny, I think you a shit. When she get horny, she think of my dick. When I was broke, I would think like I'm rich till I fucked up my credit and hit me a lick. And I got me some money to give me a crib and then blew it on bitches from plenty of fish. Fuckers, I think I'm going back to the streets. If Freddie and Jason had babies, my nigga, I promise, and that would be me. Niggas all on my honey and acting all funny, I think I'm attracted to bees. They tell me that I changed, I look in the mirror like what the fuck happened to me. Ever since I came up, these niggas been sewing their feelings. They count in my pockets, I know that it's killing. Don't tell me you proud, but you know that you jealous. The money keep coming, I know that you smell it. You think you're entitled, you fucking a dick, and I hope that you swallow. And that's how I'm feeling, put that on the back. Tell me your family, you know you're my rival. I do what I got, I tell them fuck the TV up, I'm in the media. And ain't nobody wanna see me up, a nigga heating up. I'm like I said, it's anemia. I really mean it, but I'm out of soul, a nigga breathing up. I think it's feeling up, I go to hell and fuck a demon up. I think I'm mean enough to beat a nigga with a deed. Till I fuck the stickers up, it's like a punch when I'm sneaking up. You couldn't see me, but I had to hit him like a meteor. When I'm giddy up, I get the truck and I went from nothing to something. I fell in love with the guns and I got 100 and winning. Like everybody to bust and I'm putting one in your stomach. I got him jumping and running. You better cover and ducking. I'm not the one to be fucking. I'm not the one that you think you can do whatever you want to. There's gonna be repercussions. The enemies know what's up in them up at 3 in the morning. When you be sleeping in the yard and you know the evil be calling. And somebody better call an ambulance to the EMT. Nigga in the bar like TNT. But I run up on a nigga for the GMT. With the clapping on a nigga, get a EMT. Call a girl, tell them that I want at least 10 keys. Now I got the biggest EMT. Could've walked on my shoes with a sheet stamp. Pete can't walk this way. I'm running TNT. Back in the morning, I shoot it down on this crack in the scale. Had a switch position from the kitchen, nigga. I was sleeping like a spatula there. Pretty Ricky with them bitches when I'm hitting long as a dread on spectacular hair. Shit, light shit, white whip. Open up and look like a packet of mail. I'm back in Riddell, fucking up the check and chucking up the set. And I'm back on the mail. Hell, but well, niggas no summer, but a nigga stale. But nigga, you just whipping to the day. Ain't loaded up the same way. Shade sway, white price, screaming out gang. Kick Jay, Lil Luke, can't. I got a little bit, he got me bang, scar label, bang, bang, bang. Got a main name, Audemars, that's my main thing. Got a rollie by Sinead Jane, but she plain, so we call it plain Jane. Over her, I let it bang, bang, like the fingers twisting on the game. Ever sitting in the chain gang, nigga, please. I got whole nigga cheese, yeah, I got whole nigga knees. Can't let a flow nigga roll up. Holy shit, nigga, let the whole nigga lead me. Niggas know a nigga need. My niggas got pause in the all for the free, all for the fee. For nigga throw a couple G's, get a little nigga smoke for the free, man. One side, one for the show, nigga. This time, though, I was chosen with those melodies. Niggas hate on the door, nigga, those enemies. And the snakes keep blowing it with those in the breeze. I'm under no good.
looking at me.
Face clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, you could bet I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whatever the vibe, you just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Slide, nigga, 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 slide, nigga. Face clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, you can bet I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whatever the vibe, you just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Hey, lit as fuck, whole city up, Tampa been bout them bucks. They won't smoke, I ain't no crab, nigga, I'ma fire you up. Nike in the back, I'm a fucking asshole. I got sticks with them 100 rounds in this ammo. You would think it was his birthday, hit him like a handle. I was fighting on the biz, I caught my son a Lambo. I'm just sliding in the pressure, I promise I can't go. 20 bands off a fraud, I'm running fiending for more. Remember, I was down bad, it's time to even the scope. Every nigga sliding with me, just know he keep him a poke. In my blood, it ain't no hope. Any minute I let go. Big ass rifle with the scope. Won't hit nothing lower than your throat. Face clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, bet I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whatever the vibe, you just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Slide, nigga, 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 slide, nigga.
Okay, the only time they down for you is when they low on funds. Ay, niggas talking blickers, but ain't never held no gun. Ay, I play my position, quarterback, bitch, I don't run. Ay,